Hello stargazers and astronomy enthusiasts. Today we are taking a closer look at the Celestron NexStar 6SE telescope, a must-have for both beginners and advanced users. With its iconic orange tube and legendary 6-inch aperture Schmidt-Cassegrain optics, this telescope offers an amazing stargazing experience. The fully automated Godo mount with a database of 40,000 celestial objects makes locating and tracking objects a breeze, perfect for beginners. Combined with SkyAllen technology, setting up and using the telescope is quick and easy, ensuring you spend more time observing and less time assembling. What's even more amazing is that when you purchase the Celestron NexStar 6SE, you also get a 2-year US warranty and unlimited support from a team of US-based experts. As a bonus, you'll receive a free download of Starry Night Special Edition, one of the top-rated astronomy software programs. So why wait? Take your stargazing to the next level with the Celestron NexStar 6SE telescope. Click on the link in the description to get yours now and start exploring the cosmos like never before. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more celestial discoveries and telescope reviews. Happy stargazing!